Dang, I need to get my paper up. Okay, that's interesting. Nah, I'm looking for overnight. There we go.
I've got a job for you. Locate a vehicle.
Yo, what the heck?
That's mine now.
I've been searching for the bank.
Nope.
I hate you.
Now that's more like it.
Don't leave me. I love you. Please forgive me.
They making this too easy. Yo, I'm gonna need somebody to hand me that bag. And I'm gonna go look for him outside. Wrong place, wrong venue. Exit's this way, right? Going to... No. If you're watching this ad right now, this is what happens when you try and get it all overnight. I'm all out of options. But you can still choose coolestjobever.com.
What's happening, ladies? Oh, okay. You want me to come over here?
I'm making the right choice this time.